falmi mirga khetiif bilisummaa keetiif mirga namaa hin tuqin keetis hin tuysisin.
The regime of Addis Ababa, Meles Zenawi, is trying to mislead the international community. Meles Zenawi is desperate. He's trying to intimidate the diaspora people, to spread the lie and deception. Meles Zenawi's government is almost dead. He cannot rule Ethiopia. He cannot rule Ethiopia because he lost the credibility of the society. He killed it. He don't like the international media. He doesn't do what the humanitarian international aid organizations. He killed the women, children in Ogaden, Oromia, Gambela, Afar, Sidama, and he killed it in the mid of the Addis Ababa streets the innocent protesters of the rigged and deceived election votes. Meles Zenawi lost the credibility. We are here today to show our feeling, to show our anger, to show how we don't like these criminals that Meles Zenawi dispatched to international world, to show that he's a nice guy, he has a democracy, he has a 5-year plan of developmental democracy. I call it that 5 years is 5 years of killing, looting the budget of the people, of the government. Meles Zenawi lost credibility. We are telling the international community to stand with us, to support justice, to support the human rights. Meles Zenawi has to come to the International Criminal Court. Meles Zenawi must be brought to the International Criminal Court. That's what I'm saying. He is criminal. He deserves to be charged the whole crime in the Horn of Africa. Thank you.
We are here to oppose the Meles government because there is no economical development at first. We are first having political freedom. Meles is a dictator. Meles is killing the people in Ethiopia. While people are in dictatorship, while our friends, our comrades are in prison, no freedom. So there is no development in Ethiopia. That was all lie. It's just to get a foreign currency. There is no reason we support this government. We have to oppose it by all means. And it is another African terrorist. So we are opposing the Ethiopian government, which is the Meles regime.
Oromoota mootummaa wayyaanee ergamtoota isaa asitti walgahii godhanii sababa gochuudhaan mootummaa wayyaanee balaaleffachuu fi miidhaa uummata keenyarra gahaa jiru uummata addunyaa dhageessifachuuf hiriira baanee jirra. Akkuma argamutti kunoo namni guddatee hiriira bahee jira. Hiriira milkiiti. Qabsoon keenya milkaa jennee abdannee qabsootti jirra. Injifannoo galatoomi.
The meeting was only, it's a lot of people inside. However, most of them Somalians and Tigris. There is no other people from Ethiopia. There is a few Oromos. You can count them, like 10, 20. But the rest, Somali and Tigray, which is all, they claim Maryland Somalis. And there is no original Ethiopians, what we call it, in the city that we lived.
People from Mogadishu is over there, not the Ogaden.
No. Even Ogadians. That's for Somalians.
Somalians.
Portland.
asitti argamnee fi mootummaa cunqursaa wayyaanee irratti hiriira bahuu fi ergamtoonni mootummaa saamtuu nama nyaattu kana mana kana keessatti wal gahaa jiru. asitti argamu isaanii dura dhaabbachuun asitti bira ba'aa jirra. Lakkoofsi namaa hedduu kan armaan dura argamerra hedduu gaarii itti gammannee jirra. Fuulduras uummattoonni adda addaa uummanni Ogaaden, uummanni Oromoo, uummattoonni biyya sanii cuftu mootummaa abbaa irree kan dura dhaabbatanii mirga isaanii akka gonfatan abdii qabna. Kanuma galatoomna.
A bunch of people are here protesting, trying to get their rights from their government in Africa, and it's pretty cool. They want maybe our government to help them out, which I don't see any problem in that. Eremos and Argentine need their freedom.
And I'm here to support the Ogadenyan, the Oromian, and the Gambela that's going through tyrants by the Mullah Zenawi and his regime, who violated the Declaration of the Human Rights, which are given every human being around the world justice and freedom. He violated the undeniable rights for all the human beings, as well as committed crime against humanity. He will be accountable for his action, and that's what we're supporting. This is our tax dollar as American citizens, and we will do everything it takes to make sure that we bring him to the court. Thank you.
Akkuma laaltanii agartanii hiriiruun seenaa magaalaa kanaa keessatti kan argamini baay'ina namaatiif onni godhamaa jiru kana cufoonni goonuuf Oromummaa fi mirga Oromoo kabachiisuu fi Oromoo biyya isaa deeffatee akka dhuunfatu Oromoon akka abbaa biyyaa ta'u biyya isaa irratti akka murteessu malee akka diinni lafa Oromoo keessatti ilmaan Oromoo hidhee ajjeese ilmaan Oromoo waan isaan godhuu barbaadan gochisiisanii fi kanaaf Oromiyaan ni bilisoomti ilmaan Oromoo mirga isaaniitiif ni dhaabbatan guyyaan kun guyyaa seena qabeessa hinjifannoon ta'u uummata Oromooti milkii gaarii.
My name is Sadio R and I'm here to support the Olomas people and the Oromia people, and I'm here to stand against the Ethiopian regime and Meles Zenawi and the people that support him. There's a lot going on back home in the
tuqin keetiis hin tuysisin
يمتنا نسان نسفلاكي سرقنياغا